5, red line to the end. Okay?
Yeah.
Go somewhere?
Yeah.
Are we having lunch right away or not? I don't know what we're doing right away. Never shopping this area.
To Talway.
So we're taking 3 subways or 2?
No, 1 Talway.
What?
We're taking 3 subways or 2?
3 subways. You found your camcorder?
I did, yes, yesterday. I was rushing. I found it in my bag.
What? Blame it on other people.
I did, because I had to sit down and go to the bathroom. For my own hospital. So I'll talk to you about the future.
Next station, Taiwan. Interchange station will be not on Shanghai. 请小心月台空隙，请小心月台的空隙。Please
I'm
mind
at the
the
hospital. I get into a taxi to get back, and he won't take me to the hotel. I get into a taxi, he won't take me to the hotel.
Today.
It's the wrong color.
What can I say?
It's a green taxi. Green taxis don't go to that area.
What can I say?
We had to run to get the red taxi.
What can I say?
Me and Jane. We got one to me this last time.
What can I say? What can I say?
What are we saying?
He wanted to go out tonight.
What can I
But
say?
I don't know. Well, we're going to Macau. Depends on what time we get back. I'm really tired.
Did the guy want something? The one who
They want to, it's a little bit extra. I guess actually he's quite a bit arrogant.
Smith basketball.
want to pick this up?
He kept on, no, he didn't want to do that.
Very good.
The guy who picked us up in the airport. I wonder if they're arranging a car to take us back to the airport. Probably not. There's a bus that leaves the hotel as well.
So he wants to pick it up?
I don't know. He doesn't review for the journal. He's a little bit arrogant. He sent the paper. The paper doing the medicine. He got rejected. The last of the rejected. It's actually ended up in really bad journal. Kept on saying that the discriminatory is why it was rejected.
That's what he said?
I walked to because he doesn't come from MGA.
Really?
Yeah, he's a general hospital.
Why is that one not? Why not?
I'm just telling you what he
Is that
said.
where you train?
No, I'm saying the name of it.
Why would he say that?
It's ridiculous. We don't even know where the papers come from.
You tell him that?
No, I don't want to.
Does he know who you are in terms of training? He didn't ask.
Why subway train part 1?
Seems
Right there? Okay. Will I label it?
Yeah.
Too biased. People are biased and not smart.
very narrow-minded, yeah.
Yeah.
Part 1, the FS?
Or 2?
More than that,
No.
Still one.
yeah, so you don't.
I want to sit down.
So he's, but he studies women?
Yes, that's his thing. Postmenopausal women.
I'm curious what he says. Do you think it's incorrect?
Well, maybe correct for a different reason than he thinks is the reason.
Sometimes you don't see more people in the regardless of the
It's just a question. Maybe it's in China, not Hong Kong. Japan, you saw a lot. The next stop on stop? You have to change to what color? Green towards what direction? No, the direction says.
Yeah, I mean,
Okay, you look to that side? Yeah. So am I.
So we're having early lunch?
Choose yellow bread?
Do you see? Depends on how hungry I am.
It's just olive bread.
Okay, I'd rather not, but I probably.
It's very good if you try it.
Okay. Yeah, I think I had it in China, Japan, right?
I don't think I know how to
Can
travel.
I stop for you?
Did I what?
I stopped for you. We stopped for you today, right?
To get bread. Yes, you did. Why? You want points?
Yeah. Acknowledgement that we fine.
I brought the cheese with me.
That was what?
I brought the cheese with me.
That's what you said?
Just in case we're going to Macau.
I think you're probably going to think Big C's too expensive.
Yep, I probably am.
Okay, let him eat there.
We can get
What
kids
did it
meals.
say, $100?
For pasta maybe or some other meals.
What did it say?
$109 I think for pasta, vegetarian pasta.
$15.
Man, not much.
Why don't you just get a falafel?
Aren't you fascinated? Why, did you live here?
Why are you a boy's man?
Okay.
Why not?
Okay.
I'm more fascinated there's a Chabad house in Taipei than this.
I'm fascinated. I would like to see that. Why don't we see that?
Put it next trip.
Well, next time we'll stay there in the area. That would be nice.
I like the hotel.
You like this hotel?
The other hotel.
Synagogue in Japan? That one?
It's going to be an office building, so you're going to be very disappointed. It's nothing like you pictured. It's not a little complex
Where
area.
did you see like where did you see yourself in an obscure, you saw a nice synagogue in an obscure area?
It's too wide, too narrow.
You look at it, I thought that was, yesterday was looking at it.
Too
Where
narrow?
are you? Yes.
Why don't you tell me that?
I can't judge, but I'm surprised you got them. How much were they? That cheap and really nice.
They're like 90%
Never
off.
ever again, I guarantee it. They bring it up never again.
I did a lot of walking. I walked 30 minutes to the hospital. I had to run to catch the taxi. Some systems they don't.
You may think you were.
No, really not.
Did I say you
I don't
were?
think anyone does. That's one of my...
Please mind the gap.
We go out here?
Aware of the difference in level between
My fingers froze on
and the train.
All right, when we get there.
Oh my god.
This is a nightmare. All right, we're nearly close. How about tomorrow? Just don't make me pick too much.
See those are Kanye West naked costumes here?
Okay.
The woman's wearing?
Really?
Yep.
That's